Okay, sorry, I just wanted to finish off what I was talking about. So, comproportionation is where you have the same type of element in two different species. So, they can be ions or they could be in molecules. But what they're doing is they are becoming the same oxidation number on the product side. So, it's kind of the opposite of the last one we just looked at. So here we have chromium with a number of +1, chromium with a +3, and they're both becoming chromium +2. So this chromium is going from +1 to +2, which means it's undergoing oxidation and losing an electron. And this chromium is going to be gaining an electron because it's going from +3 to +2, so it's being reduced. So you have the same type of element doing both oxidation and reduction here as well.